Hello, this is a training video of the drone operation. Let's see how it works. Once the client contacts us with an inquiry, in our reply we'll ask the client for the relevant documentation, such as an NOC and a map with coordinates. Once all the paperwork was received, if possible, our team will plan for site visit before the project starts. We will be moving on to determine the flight time project duration. We will sort the projects based on their category. Then our commercial team has responsibility for offering the client the best price possible without sacrificing the output's quality. Additionally, using the client-provided documentation, our team will submit applications for required authority permissions such as the General Civil Aviation Authority, the Ministry of Defense, etc. We start making authority payments after we get all the required approvals. When it is finished, we will notify the Ministry of Defense official, who will be in charge of the entire drone operation on the authority side. Major pre-checks day before the drone operation. Weather condition. Necessary approvals. Equipment has been checked. On the day of drone operation, the officer from the Ministry of Defense will verify all the approvals. Additionally, the pilot in charge will confirm that the standard before flight checklist, during takeoff checklist, and after takeoff checklist were followed. Throughout the operation, the observer will keep track of the drone's movements and ensure that it is in line of sight. Once the team has captured the required data, it will be sent to the post-processing team. So, they may use the appropriate software to produce high-quality output. After completing the necessary post-processing work, our QC team double-checks the product to ensure no quality is lost.